All right, guys, on the 06 Buick again. So I've got an issue here. Oh God. Yep, that's right. Broken hinge. So it looks like we've got a few Phillips head screws to take out here, and I'm sure there's some on the bottom. So let me try before I break his arm off here. First thing I learned is if you turn this bull sideways, so it's normally on like this, so if you turn it, this lets this come out, so you don't have to keep trying to fight that. So that's the first step. Now we're going to take all these screws out, and then we're going to figure out what's holding this in after I took out these two screws that were on each end. Plus, the only thing that held this thing together is this like little flimsy line of white plastic you can see that's already getting fatigued, and this thing's brand new. It's paid $40 for this thing. Freaking Chevrolet, man. GM. Anyways, let's keep going. Oh yeah, air filter door, stuff hanging out of it. This can't be good. So now it's time to get the drill and drill the heads of these rivets off somehow. They turn pretty easily because up underneath, like I said, just the rivet head. Actually, I had to take this panel off. It was just some clips that popped down and it came out, and you had this little light you just twisted and took out. So that's that piece there. So let me get a drill and start drilling. All right, so the step bit made easy work of it. Drilled them right out, popped out, had to put a screwdriver behind it. To give it leverage so these wouldn't spin. But there's what the tops look like. And then I went ahead and pulled the air filters out because I'm going to have to vacuum all this up so I'm not laying in it. But as expected, those two guys look great. So those are going to be replaced, but we're going to vacuum it, leave it out because I need to steam the vents. But let's vacuum and get this other one installed. All right, guys, so these are a pain in the butt to get back into there. So the easiest way to do it is to get your 3/8 wrench, put your piece of black electrical tape onto your nut, and press it into your wrench to hold it, like so. And that's going to hold it until you can get back in there to tighten the bolt down. So I've used this method on 3 of them. Now I just got to do the outsides and we can start assembling it. All right, guys, glove box is in. There you go. So cut those bolts across the top. Had to use one of the little Phillips ends and a wrench to get in those corners, but it is in. So no more falling off glove box. But we'll just have to clean it up now and of course get some filters. But please like, subscribe, follow, check me out on Instagram, Mustang Jackson 67. So until next time, let's keep building.